Hi guys, Red and Black Football here. I am with Scott Neville, and I'm going to ask him a few questions for all you Wanderers fans. Scott, how do you see what are your expectations about the games on Friday with Melbourne City? What do we have to do to improve and to win?
Yeah, well, we need to win, of course, and we're just excited to get out there, and we can't wait for all the fans to come and support us and be our 12th man. But we have to defend a lot better as a team and make sure that we score some more goals, because we are getting some good chances, but now we need to make sure that we put them in the goal.
Which player do you consider the most dangerous of Melbourne City?
Oh, definitely Bruno Fornaroli. He's been probably the best player in the A-League for the last 2 seasons now. So our 2 centre-backs are going to have to make sure that they're nice and tight and we don't give them any space in behind.
Okay, John, one sort of personal question. When did you start playing football?
I started playing when I was 5 years old in England.
In England, wow,
yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Obviously, you have the support from your father, from your family, eh?
I did. My dad was a professional player in England, so that's why I fell in love with football.
Oh yes, football is the best sport in the world by far.
Definitely.
Now, Scott, last question. Who is your favorite player in the world?
In the world?
Yes.
That's a good question. I love watching, obviously, Lionel Messi and Ronaldo, but my favourite player would have to be Jerome Boateng.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thanks, guys.
We promise support, for you on Friday, like always.
Always.
We Wanderers fans, are the best.
Oh, the best support in Australia and Asia.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.